everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. For today's video, one set of my wheels have arrived, so I think that's enough to do an unboxing video and tell you guys why I got these wheels and show you guys the tires, which I think you guys seen in my last video, but I know you guys don't really be watching like that. I understand. Hey, I understand. But I did receive my tires like a couple days ago. I got some Firehawk Indy 500s. Those tires to me are like RPF ones because when my boy Mike got them on his RSX, I was like, bro, I really want those tires, but they're just so expensive. They're like $450 or something like that. And I got my set for $300 off eBay because eBay is the truth. You know what I'm saying? Now, before I unveil to you guys on the wheels I got, you guys should know by now, I don't have T37 money. I don't have Master money. Now, the story behind why I got the wheels I got is because a fan had gave me this picture. He took this last year at iBox in Orlando, and it just made me realize how bad I missed this setup. So I basically got my old setup back. Now, the reason why I didn't buy real wheels such as Masters or T37s is I can't afford it. In the sense of me wanting to expand Zosh MFG and like get a house, I just don't see me spending $2,000 on some wheels just to get, you know, other people's opinions of like, wow, Zosh got a legit build now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't need to do that. Having real wheels on my car does not determine my build. And I'm always like, man, I need to get real wheels so people can like respect me more. But honestly, I'm gonna kill shit on the slips. When I first came out with this setup, I felt like I was killing shit. Like, I felt like, yo, I'm that dude. You don't need real wheels to have a legit build. The reason why I want to own a set of like TEs or Masters is because it's a thing that I want to accomplish. I look at it as a goal, like getting the RPF ones. I got those on a good deal, and I know, you know, I will get a set of T37s or a set of Masters. So if anyone out there is like, yo man, I don't know if I should save up my money to get T37s or I should get Masters, or whatever replica wheel company out there, look man, advice from me to you is buy what you can afford, but also buy what you want, and also buy what you want because it's what you want and not what you're trying to do to please other people. Don't look for validation through others. Preach. I can't believe I just wasted probably like 3 minutes of you guys' life about me telling you guys why I can't afford real wheels or why I didn't buy real wheels. But all in all, your boy got some more Masters, and now that I can announce this, I am officially sponsored by Wheels USA. Finally got center caps, that's pretty cool. Ooh, flat black, baby. Man, they're so light too. They're just as light as RPF ones. Well, I guess that's just the unboxing portion of this video. Now, to get these bad boys mounted and installed on the car so it can go for a drive. Oh man, damn it. I gotta put the bumper back on. But go for a drive and do some product shots. And I also have to do my tire letter install again. So, making our way downtown to my shop to get these hoes mounted. So we made it to Justin's and Mai's job. OG Quaggly, what's up, baby? Y'all like my sticker, right? Clean, boy, clean. Somebody stole this when I was at Tony Evo, Miami. They stole my back piece. So now I gotta like hold it up. It's ass, but gotta make the best of it. Super facts. Wow, look at this guy.
Hey man, I used to work at Tires Plus.
I know, boy, I see that. Damn. Yeah, watch this. Yeet. Wheels are all done and loaded. My man Blown Sedan came clutch. My dude.
Yo, fire for that man, yo.
So before I head home to put on the tire letters, everyone was asking me, yo, why you sold the old wheels, blah, 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 blah. Well, look at this boy. You put the wheels on, and it looks way better on your car than it did on mine. And these what, lowering springs?
Yep.
It's not bad.
It's just my front. They're like really, really bouncy, bro.
Don't look bad though. Back at the house, and I got all the wheels all laid out. Now we're gonna start the installation process of my Marauder tire letters. So right now, I'm doing step 1, which is clean the sidewall with a strong detergent. And right here, you can get this for $1 at your local Dollar Tree. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna clean this thing up, and then from there, I gotta rub dry and do like 5 applications, cool. And then with the sandpaper, sand it all down, cool. And then from there, we just do the tire lift. I'm gonna try and get these bad boys on before it gets nighttime. Maya's here, so I got some help. And yeah, let's get this bad boy going. Well, change of scenery. We now at Maya's crib. As you guys seen in the previous clip though, I did clean up every single one of them. You guys only saw one, but they're all cleaned up. I bought some more cleaning stuff to clean them up again. It's required to be cleaned 5 times with like a degreaser. So that's what I'm about to do. And then, yeah, just start, you know, doing tire litter install stuff, you know. Just got home from Maya's crib, wheels all loaded up, and I will continue this vlog in the morning when I put them on the car and show you guys how they look, even though you guys should know how they look. But with the fender cutouts, the big spoiler, it should look so see you guys in the morning. What's up, y'all? It's the next day, and bro, I got my package. Do you know what's in this, bro? Woo! Aside from that, got another package from AMSOIL. I'm gonna be running their oil now for I guess a review. One of their guys hit me up like, hey Zosh, bro, you wanna review some AMSOIL? I'm like, alright. But aside from that, it is time to put these wheels on. It's 2 o'clock, playboy. And Crustina is back, boy. Oh, she's back, son. Almost there. I wish I had my P1 lip, but well, after not getting emails back from the owner, I'm never gonna get that lip anymore. I don't know if the camera's picking up how good it looks, man. But Jesus, look at this thing. Oh my Lord, Crustina. She's back, baby, she's back. But you already know your boy gotta go to some scenic place to get some nice beauty shots of this bad boy and give you guys a real walk around because, boy, where I live, the scenic is ass. So we're gonna go somewhere else and get some nice cinematographers. It looks so good. God damn. So I made it to my location where I'm gonna do my cinematography, and I kinda like the landscape here. It's pretty dope. And boom, that's how she looking, playboy. So I'm gonna try my best to make this a nice cinematography style-esque of portion of the video so I can close out this video once and for all, because it's been like a couple days since I uploaded. So yeah, let's do it. Hope you guys like it. Bro, this cinematography stuff, I think I'm doing it straight. So I'm sorry for that. But this is it, man. Oh my God. So it looks, baby. How it looks, baby. See that? Ooh, that boy popping. Fitment is perfect. Fitment is perfect. Look at that, boy. Ooh, I don't even rub. That's some functioning form springs, baby. I think it's 12K front, 10K rear, or something like that. I forgot what I did, but quick little walk around of this John, know what I mean? Got the Aerogenics 275 wing stands on. And bro, I love it. But I feel like it's missing something. Aside from the front lip, it's missing something in the rear to complement the spoiler. And I think I know what it is. Even with the white hood, my car still goes hard. But with no front lip, basically, that is super facts. Bro, they are here, bro. Woo-hoo! Boo-boo! Oh, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a Zosh presentation. I want to give a special thank you to Trredwear and Roto-Wheel USA for making this video possible. Thank you to baby girl for putting your boy on this kiwi quencher. It's John smooth.
Delicious, son.
If you would like some tire leathers for your car, be sure to use code Zosh at Trredwear.com, playboy. And if you want the Marauder tire leathers, if you go to their website, they have an option where you can use custom text for your tire leathers. Just put Marauder and get them bad boys in white or yellow or red, whatever you please, playboy. And be sure to send high quality pictures to zoshmfg@gmail.com. And that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, could you go ahead and smack that like button for you, boy? That'd be greatly appreciated. And I will catch you guys, you know what I'm saying, in the next one. I'm out. Peace.